Transport Minister Daryl Vaz says there may be subsequent changes to some of the routes under the program.
I'm pleased to indicate that 60 buses promised to roll out on the 8th of September have now been dispatched to the various parishes and are ready for Monday morning. What I can say is that the routes and the times that have been scheduled so far are not in stone. We will review them in the week based on obviously the logistical challenges that may be faced based on times and routes, and we are open to changes. These have been designated by the Ministry of Education, but we will take stakeholder advice based on what happens this week.
More than 28,000 students are set to benefit under the program. Students will be able to ride free on the buses for the months of September and October. Minister Vaz says the full fleet of buses will be rolled out by November.
I can indicate very clearly that I will be monitoring it, going on the road myself, and to say to those who have concerns that we will take the concerns on board. Please be reminded that this is 60 of 100 and the other 40 buses and routes will be rolled out between September and November. So this is only a partial rollout, as indicated before, of 60 of 100 buses. I understand fully, obviously, the concerns of areas that have not seen their names and communities and schools, but we have started a process that will continue into the 100 buses by November.